Hello student, in the last session you learned the advantages and the features of Visual Basic. Today topic is Integrated Development Environment of VB, ID of VB. The interface of Visual Basic. This is show when you start the Visual Basic. Firstly click on the ActiveX DLL and click on the open the Visual Basic startup. This is dialog box is open. When you click on the open, the integrated development environment of VB show. On the top menu bar is situated, then standard toolbar is situated, then form. In the form you use the various types of the controls for the development of the GUI based application: property window, form layout window, project container window, toolbox. Menu bar. The menu bar displays the command that are required to build an applications. In the main menu, items have sub menu item that can be chosen when needed. File menu, edit menu, they have the sub menus. Next is the standard toolbar. The standard toolbar, you can click on the standard toolbar button once to carry out the action represented by the button. When you click on the save button, save the project. When you click on the cut button, cut the copy paste. The various types of the buttons types of the options are available in the standard toolbar. In the toolbox, in the toolbox contain the set of controls that are used to place on a form at a design time, thereby creating the user interface area. You use the controls on the form. You take the label control, button control, drag and the drop on the form, and perform and develop the various types of the GUI based graphical user interface applications. In the properties window, you select the controls and set their font, color, size. Various types of the options are available in the properties window. See the one by one which types of the operation performed in the menu bar. First is the menu bar. The menu bar contains the menu options of Visual Basics. Each menu contains the menu item which appears as a drop down list when the user click on the menu item. This menu bar displays the command that are required to build an application. The main menu item have sub menu item that can be chosen when needed. The toolbars in the menu bar provide a quick access to the commonly used command, and button in the toolbar is click once to carry out the action represented by it. When you click on the file menu, their sub menus are available: open, close, save, save as. In the edit, cut, copy, paste. In the project menu, run, stop, pause. The various types of the menu and their sub menus are available in the menu bar. In the standard toolbar, the standard toolbar displays in the button format which are frequently used while working. The frequently used command like save project, open project, start, undo, redo, copy, cuts are placed in the standard toolbar in the form of the icons. The first icons in the standard toolbar: view applications, the toggle the between the host application of the visual. Second is insert user form, save. When you click on the save icon, save the application including all the Visual Basic component: cut, copy, paste, find, undo, redo, and the run. Break, stop the execution of the program. When you click on the break icon, the stop the execution of a program while it is running and switches into the break mode. Reset, clear the execution of the stack module, level variable, and reset the project. Design mode, toggles design mode, project explorer, properties window, object browser, toolbox, and the help. Next is project explorer. Project Explorer dock on the right side of the screen just under the toolbar. is the Project Explorer window. The Project Explorer, as shown in the figure, serves as a quick responses to the various elements of a project, namely form, classes, and the modules. All the objects that make the application are packed in a project. Simple project will typically contain one form, which is a window that is designed as a part of a program interface. It is possible to develop any number of forms for use in a program, although the program may consist of a single form. In addition to form, the Project Explorer window also lists the code modules and the classes. Here in the show in the icon view code, view object, their toggle folder, project name, their forms folder, and the form module. The project information is shown in the Project Explorer window. Next is project. In the Project Explorer window lists the files, modules, data environment, DHTML pages used in the current application. There are different buttons of the Project Explorer window: toggle folder button, view object button. Next is form layout window. Using the form layout window, user can set the position of the form at design time. This eliminates to write the code for positioning of the form. So just drag and reposition the forms in the form layout window to set the position at runtime. Using the form layout window, user can set the position of the form at design time. You have to drag the form to set the position. This eliminates to write the code for positioning the form. So just drag and reposition the form in the form layout window to set the position at runtime. To hide the form layout window, click on the close button available in the top right corner of the form layout window. Form layout window is a simple Visual Basic design tool whose purpose is to give the user of the thumbnail view of the current form. This helps in controlling the form position in the Windows environment. When more number of forms are there in a particular program, this form layout window is helpful to arrange all the forms on the screen. By simply dragging and the miniature of a form to a location, the position of a form can be set in the form layout window. This is today close here session. In the next session, you will see the property window, toolbox, code editor window. Thank you.